Let's see how to remove image background in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to remove the background of a particular image in Microsoft Word. Now first, let's insert our image. And let's select an image with a person as our subject. And as you can see here, we have our image uploaded. Now, to remove the background, click on the Picture Format tab. Now click on Remove Background. That is the first option right here on the left. And as you can see, if possible, Microsoft will automatically detect the subject in your image. However, if you want to specify or mark certain areas that you want to keep or remove, you can also do that. Now, let's say that we want to really clean up the background removal of this particular image. So let's click on Mark Areas to Keep, and let's select those areas. Let's just simply go over this area right here at the bottom, which includes her clothes. And as you can see, Microsoft will automatically adjust that to make sure that your subject is kept. Now click on Keep Changes. And as you can see, the background for our subject has now been removed. And you'll also notice that this is an entirely new image now, where you can resize it or crop it, rotate it, or whatever you want to do with it. And that is how you can remove a background of an image in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.